Everyone thinks the best-selling kayak roof rack is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Peripera Kayak Roof Rack. Let's kick things off with the Peripera Kayak Roof Rack. Priced at $57.98, this rack caught my attention because it offers a solid build with a decent load capacity. If you want a cost-effective solution for transporting 2 kayaks, this is worth a serious look. This rack is made from sturdy alloy steel and can hold up to 150 pounds, which means it can easily accommodate most kayaks. The J-bar design makes loading and unloading a breeze, and the adjustable padding ensures your kayak stays protected during transport. Plus, with 1,700 reviews averaging 4.1 stars, it's clear that many users appreciate its durability and reliability. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the quick on-off hardware actually makes it pretty straightforward. So, if you're handy or willing to figure it out, this rack is still a fantastic choice. This is perfect for you if you're a casual paddler needing an affordable way to transport your kayaks. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's ultra easy to install right out of the box. For the price, it offers great value and dependable performance. Now, if that installation issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Ikurum, our kayak roof rack. Next up is the Ikurum, our kayak roof rack, priced at $129.99. What drew me to this rack is its premium construction and features. If you want maximum kayak protection and versatility, this one's definitely worth considering. The Ikurum features oversized rubber saddles and padded uprights that effectively prevent your kayak from rubbing and getting damaged. It's compatible with SUVs, cars, and trucks, which means you can easily use it across different vehicles. With 4,000 reviews and a solid 4.3 star rating, users rave about its durability and ease of use. Plus, the folding design is great for saving space when you're not using it. Now, some users mentioned that it can be a bit on the heavier side. I'll be real with you. If you're looking for a lightweight option, this might not be for you. However, the added weight does contribute to its stability during transport, which is a trade-off you might appreciate. This is perfect for you if you prioritize kayak protection and are okay with a bit of extra weight. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight or compact for storage. Overall, it's a reliable choice for serious paddlers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a blend of durability and ease of use. Product number 3, Artipoli Kayak Roof Rack. Let's move on to the Artipoli Kayak Roof Rack, which sells for $119.99. This one caught my eye due to its unique design and customer satisfaction. If you want a rack that combines functionality and protection, this is a great contender. The Artipoli is crafted from high-quality aluminum alloys and features an upgraded design that enhances stability. What I really like is the rubber pedal and foam protectors, which provide maximum protection for your kayak while also preventing scratches on your roof crossbar. With a rating of 4.5 stars from 337 reviews, it's evident that users appreciate its thoughtful design. Now, one downside is that the assembly instructions could be clearer. Some folks found it a bit confusing. But here's the thing. Once you figure it out, the design allows for easy adjustments and a secure fit, making it worth a little extra effort. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable rack that protects your kayak during transport. Skip this one if you prefer straightforward assembly without any guesswork. For its price, it offers excellent quality and peace of mind. Now, if the assembly instructions on the last product were concerned, the next one might just be the simplest option yet. Product number 4, Merhardware Kayak Rack. Next, we have the Merhardware Kayak Rack, priced at $74.99. This product immediately stood out for its practicality and security features. If you want a straightforward and affordable solution for carrying your kayak, this one deserves your attention. This rack is designed to hold up to 100 pounds and accommodates kayaks up to 36 inches wide. It comes with high-quality tie-down straps rated for 600 pounds of brake strength, which is pretty impressive. The adjustable padding ensures that your kayak is protected during transport. With an average rating of 4.3 stars from 2,000 reviews, many users praise its ease of use and installation. However, some users noted that it's not compatible with rounded crossbars, which could be a deal breaker for some. Here's the thing though, if you have standard crossbars, the ease of installation and price point make this a great choice. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and effective way to transport your kayak. Skip this one if your vehicle has rounded crossbars since it won't fit. For the price, it's a reliable option that gets the job done without breaking the bank. Now, if you like the affordability of this product, but want something with a bit more versatility, the next option might be just what you're looking for. Product number 5, High-Resin Kayak Roof Rack. Finally, let's check out the High-Resin Kayak Roof Rack, available for $56.99. This rack caught my attention for its robust build and unique J-shaped design. If you want a budget-friendly option that still delivers quality, this one is worth a look. The J-shaped design allows your kayak to securely fit in place, and the high-quality alloy steel frame can accommodate kayaks up to 75 pounds. With a rating of 4.2 stars from 468 reviews, users are generally satisfied with how it performs on their vehicles. The protective foam helps to keep both the rack and your kayak safe from scratches during transport. Now, there have been complaints about its compatibility with certain car models, which can be limiting. But here's the deal. If you have a vehicle that meets the specifications, the value you get for the price is hard to match. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly rack that still offers solid protection. Skip this one if your vehicle model is one of the incompatible ones. It's a great value for anyone looking to transport their kayak without spending a fortune. So, to wrap up, we've covered a great range of kayak roof racks, from the affordable Peripera kayak rack to the premium Ikuramar. Whether you're looking for maximum protection, ease of use, or budget-friendly options, there's definitely something for everyone here. Make sure you pick one that fits your needs, and happy paddling!